Large-scale automotive production restarted in Italy today, but workers here in the U.S. remain concerned about heading back to work. According to the UAW, more than 24 U.S. auto workers have died from the coronavirus, including several here in Metro Detroit. So our Jim Kurtzner set out to see how the auto industry plans to keep its people safe.
The big three and hundreds of thousands of American auto workers are watching this closely as a look into their future. 6,000 workers returning to one plant in central Italy. FCA saying in a statement a variety of health and safety measures have been implemented in Atessa, Italy, a joint venture with PSA Peugeot, one of the leading producers of commercial vehicles for the international market. As we showed you last week, similar protocols are going into General Motors plants. Temperature checks with questions as you walk in, social distancing during orientation at the start of a shift, even a wind tunnel and a sticky mat to remove any loose debris from coming into the plant. All workers will be given masks and goggles to wear on the job. This was inside the closed Warren transmission plant that's making 60,000 face masks a day. With all that protective gear, these people can work closely together, as they do in medical settings.
Everything you just experienced to walk into this operation, building masks, we're doing across the board globally.
Getting into work will take longer. Take a look at these pictures from the FCA Jefferson North plant in Detroit. Social distancing marks to wait during screening. Lunch tables with glass partitions. Some misinformation is going out and workers are being called back. This flyer at the Ford Dearborn truck plant says the union is negotiating over safety protocols. That's partially true. The flyer also says the International Union announced they are to return to work on May 11th. That's false. Union sources also say no dates are set. Voluntary paid workers are preparing plants for returns. The UAW also clearing up it cannot bargain safety. It can't bargain timing, shifts to return to work. But it has levers, worker walkouts and strikes if safety is not happening. We are told the discussion when to reopen is continuing, and here in Michigan, that includes the governor. Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
Jim, thank you.